Biker Gear Club. It's a subscription box for motorcyclists. They offer boxes for men and women in monthly or quarterly options. In the sign-up form, you give them your glove, belt, shirt, and boot size. You tell them what kind of bike you ride, the color of it, whether you ride on or off-road, and if you prefer metric or imperial tool types. Monthly costs $80 a month and quarterly costs $180 a month. It seems like a lot, but is it worth it though? Let's find out. I ordered one. So this is my box. It came a couple weeks ago. It was open already. This tape that they used to seal the box was cut when I got it. So I had somebody take it in the other room away from me and look through it and make sure everything was in there that's supposed to be in there. They told me there's a list in here that tells you what's supposed to be in it. So $180 is a lot of money. We'll see if it's worth it. I am not sponsored by this at all, so here we go. It's like Christmas in August. Ooh. All right, so this is just the paper that tells you what's in it. We'll look at that later. I guess we'll start right here. Okay, so this is interesting. It doesn't tell you what this is for, or what it's supposed to be. Feels waterproof. This looks like a waterproof zipper here. I'll move this box to the side. So it's North Street, made in Portland, like a little baggie. That's cool. It's just like a little adventure baggie that's supposed to be waterproof, but I can see that this zipper right here doesn't close all the way. I'm gonna be very picky on this stuff, so just bear with me. This is pretty cool. It's a little, you know, little waterproof pouch. You can take this. My girlfriend's gotten really into paddleboarding. She can take this with her. Or when I go moto camping, I can take that with me. Got a hat. I do like hats. I don't like flat bills, so I'm gonna go ahead and bend this. Maybe it's sacrilege. Inked iron. Inked iron. I don't know what that is, but this is a cool hat. Moto Inspirato. Oh, cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Does this make the shadow on my head look crazy? No? Good. I'm gonna not do that yet. Let's see what this little thing is in the bubble wrap. Oh, well, okay. This would be cool for somebody who doesn't have prescription glasses. So, just a cool pair of sunglasses. They're not, oh, you know what? They're not as flexible as those like flying eyes ones, but I think you could probably wear these. Optic nerve polarized. These are $40 normally. I think you could probably wear these under your glasses or under your helmet, but not me, because I need glasses to see. So there's that. Oh, interesting. Motorcycle themed cold coffee. So these subscription boxes are interesting because this is not something that I would ever order myself, but I will drink this when it's not 90 degrees. This looks pretty cool. It's from, where is this from? MA, is that Massachusetts? Watertown, MA. Maine? What, Massachusetts, Maine is where this coffee's from.
I don't remember.
I
don't know.
Yeah, Maine or Massachusetts, we'll figure that out. I'm gonna drink this later when it's cold and tell you how I feel about it. I'll drink coffee any time of day. I'm not scared of not sleeping. I can chug this right before bed and go right to sleep. No problem. What the heck is this? Infinity tool. Huh. There's two of these. I don't know what this is. It's a stretchy thing with a metal thing on the end. I have no, I mean, I guess you could use it to strap, maybe that's what it's for, strapping stuff to the bike. It's pretty small though. I have no idea what this is. We'll look that up maybe later. Oh wait, here we go. Link multiple together, carabiner, gear tie, create a sandal, wear it as a bracelet. I don't know. This is like a thing that I'll probably never use, to be honest with you. Oh, Trip Machine. This is a brand I have heard of and that I am a fan of. They make cool little leather things for your bike. This is a cool little leather keychain. I already have a leather keychain, but this feels like a much nicer, higher quality one. And as always, sticker. Love stickers. Love stickers. That's cool. I like this. So that's maybe like a $30 thing that I've gotten out of this that I actually really like. Stickers. I like stickers. All right. Gloves. I like gloves. I needed a new pair of gloves, but I have a problem with these already. I like them. I like the way they look a lot. However, what's the point of fingerless gloves on a motorcycle? If you go down, your fingers are gonna be just bones. These are padded, they're not armored. The knuckles are padded. If you're not going fast, I guess these are okay. Let's see if they fit. All right. Yeah, they fit good. They feel good. I don't know if these are real leather. I'll probably never wear these because, like I said, what's the point of fingerless gloves on a motorcycle? It feels like why even wear gloves in the first place, almost. I mean, I guess you're probably gonna be mostly sliding on your palm, and there's some nice suede here. Like I said, I'm gonna be pretty harsh on this box because $180 is a lot of money. And so far, I don't know. All right, this feels like a nice, high quality t-shirt. TMC. Is that something we've already gotten? No, I don't know. Oh, Tobacco Motorwear. Okay, I know this brand. I'm a big fan of this brand. I like their protective gear. This is a cool shirt. I'll wear this shirt. It's a Cafe Racers shirt. Check that out. I'll wear this. Not right now because it's a million degrees and I'm not gonna put a shirt over a shirt. But this is cool. This is cool. I'll definitely wear this. And black. It's like the only color shirt I wear, usually. Alright. More bubble wrap. Yeah, bubble wraps. Let's see. Oops. This feels like it's got stuff in it. Okay, it's a detailer, a bike detailer. You know, you can always do that. My bike is super dirty right now. So I could definitely use this. Cleans and shines without water. Interesting. Okay, I'll give that a try. Okay. Oh, this is like the one thing from Trip Machine that I wouldn't buy, to be honest with you. It's a chain wallet with a bike chain. I don't know. I might take the wallet off and use the wallet. This is a pretty nice leather wallet. I might just like use this and not this part. Some people are fans of chain wallets, and that, you know what? That's fine. I was when I was in middle school. No shade. It's fine. It's fine. Don't get mad. It's fine. Now I can't get this back on, so I can't even wear it as a chain wallet if I wanted to. You know, I like that wallet. I don't love the chain on it. What's this? This is a big old book. This is cool. I like picture books. Yeah, this is cool. Just some cool bike photography and some stories written in here. Yeah, this is like a coffee table book kind of thing. Dust to dust. Look, that's a picture of me. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Maybe this is just not a month for me so far, but I don't know. Would you? Hold on, let me get this. Let me know if you'd want to see another one of these. We'll check out this last item and then we'll talk. This feels like a blow-up tube of some kind. Don't know what that could be. Oh, maybe it's a dry bag. That would be cool. Yeah, okay. All right. I was looking at dry bags the other day, much bigger ones than this, but I don't have any right now. And this could be cool. It's got a window in it. The Rockagator, 15 liters. I don't know what Rockagator means. It says rule the elements on the bottom here. This is pretty cool. You know what? This might be the best thing in here, at least until I try this cold brew coffee. Maybe this will make the $180 worth it. I don't know. This thing's cool. It looks, you know, I haven't seen many dry bags, but it does look maybe a little cheap. But I don't know. Well, I'll use this. I'm planning a moto camping trip sometime soon, so maybe I'll, I mean, I'm definitely gonna try this. And we'll see how it goes. I'll spray it with some water, see if everything stays dry. And yeah, I think that's all right. Okay, let's talk about it. $180 every 3 months. Seems like a lot. If these gloves weren't fingerless, I think that would be a really cool thing to have in here. The dry bag, we'll put these in the middle. I like hats. Hats are cool. The wallet, that. This I could maybe give to Jake or something. Jake wears glasses too most of the time, so I don't know. I'll give these to somebody. This thing, these could be maybe used for that moto camping trip I'm talking about. String 2 of them together, tie some stuff down. But I got rock straps, and rock straps are like perfect for what they are. This could be cool. Get a couple uses out of this. This could go with my camping stuff. See, I'm trying to see how this could be worth $180. I don't know, man. I get it. They have to make a profit. I will say you do get 50% off on their store. So some of this stuff you can just buy. And if you're subscribed, then you get 50% off, which could be nice. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it. Do you guys think it was worth $180? I think the $80 version, you get less stuff, but you get it every month. So there's that. If you guys want to check it out, there's a link in the description. I think you get $10 or $20 off your first box. That kicks back a little bit to me, but I don't know if I'll get another one of these. Unless you guys want to see me do another unboxing of one of these things. I don't plan on doing it if you guys don't care. So, I don't know. Somebody might like this. It's probably not really for me. Yeah, that'll be it though. My name's Tyler. This is Curly Wolf. Thanks for checking out this unboxing of the Biker Gear Club. All right, guys, so I added up everything that was in the box. You guys saw all the prices. That's what I could find online, and we came out to $339. So it is above the $180 price that you're paying for the box. However, the best thing about the box is that you don't know what you're getting, and that's also the worst thing about the box because you don't get to pick what you want at all. And like, they have another pair of gloves on their website that I would love to have, but they sent me the fingerless ones. Those are definitely not an everyday glove for me. So is it worth it? I don't know. That's gonna be up to you. It depends on your taste. My tastes are super picky. If you like a lot more stuff than I do, then maybe it's for you. Also, I just want to let you guys know that we launched a Ko-Fi account where you can gift us a little bit of money every month or just one time, and there's some perks that come with that. This is just another way if you guys wanted to support us. If you don't want to do that, again, totally fine. Link for that will be in the description. Link for the Biker Gear Club is in the description, and just to be clear, I don't get any cash for that. I get a discount on my next box if I decide to do another one, and you'll get a discount on your box if you decide to do it. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there.
Look how sad you sound.
Do I sound sad? I'll see you next time. Bye!
You're like, I'll see you next time.
Yeah.